Happy morning, everyone, and welcome to day 20 of our Magic Book session.
Happy morning.
Happy morning.
Happy morning.
Happy morning, Uma. Lovely morning to all of you.
Same to you, Vandana, or and to everyone else also.
Today, you're really looking different.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, please see my hair.
Huh.
Did you see? I don't know. Oh,
Yeah, you're looking you're looking good.
fresher.
Yeah.
I woke up a little earlier, maybe.
Mm. So, how was your experience yesterday? Who all did the assignment?
I did it.
Yes.
I did it.
So I put my Fitbit on, and I was going to the market. So I didn't want to count the steps. So I just put it on, and then I walked slowly. So consciously, I said thank you every time. And then I saw I'd done 150 steps or something. Uh, so I just continued then uh, without saying thank you. I mean, thank you, I said, but I didn't like watch each step.
Yeah. Okay.
So
And
I was walking very slowly before, counting and each foot. Then, then I just said, now I'll just carry on at normal pace.
And then any experience when you went to the market saying this, when you were aware of your steps and took the magical footsteps? Any unusual thing happened?
No, okay. Okay.
And how did you feel your feelings? Did you make a note of your feelings? Were you aware of, was there
Oh.
any shift in your feelings after you said?
No, I didn't make conscious effort to recollect.
Okay, so no difference after you did the magical footsteps.
No, maybe I am not able to connect or I haven't noticed it.
But tell me one thing, were you with the footsteps or you were, you said you started walking slowly. That was it
Yeah. So
was
I didn't count the
observation.
footsteps because I didn't want to divert from saying thank you. So that Fitbit told me I'd done, more than 100 steps. So I walked consciously 8 steps, saying thank you.
Huh. But was there a feeling of happiness after you took the steps?
Yes, yeah, I think so. Yeah, yeah, of course.
Okay.
And I liked the footstep walking slowly. It was nice feeling actually. You
So
know?
was it a kind of meditation in itself?
Yes, I think it was. Yeah, you're right. That
Yeah.
walking those 100 footsteps was like meditation. Yes.
Yeah. And
You
also,
almost like disconnected from, I mean, if you're not on the road, disconnect. You have to must know where the cars are coming from. But it was almost like a disconnect.
yeah. So you know what? Of course, you can do it in your house the way you did also, where you're walking to the market.
Yes.
Uh, but if we really want to do a concentrated practice, if we do it when we are with nature, so when we are, doing our morning walk or our evening walk or just under our buildings, just try doing it now since you tried yesterday, and now see if you can try doing that way. And
Yeah. But maybe not on concrete. Everything's so built up. Maybe somewhere greener.
yeah, so if you can go in a park or something, and also if you have the facility of walking in a park on the grass with barefoot,
Oh, yeah. That would be
yeah,
ideal.
so you can try doing that also.
No. Can't recollect anything nearby. Maybe the mud. maybe not grass, mud. That's also therapeutic. Therapeutic.
Therapeutic.
Therapeutic.
Yeah. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Uma, for sharing. Thank you so much. Who else? Rushita ji, you want to share?
यस किया मैंने, लेकिन वो अभी तो ऐसा ही है कि रूटीन में थोड़ा डिफरेंस तो आया ही है। कोई नेगेटिव बात करता है तो वो नहीं अच्छी लगती कि नहीं वहां पे तू स्टॉप हो जा, इससे अच्छा है कि नहीं करे। तो
हाँ,
वो
नो
चीज
बट
तो
स्पेसिफिकली कल का जब वॉक किया था उसके बाद में कुछ फर्क महसूस हुआ?
नहीं, एक्चुअली उस पे ध्यान भी नहीं दिया है शायद।
ओके, सो हम जब आप वॉक कर रहे थे तो वर यू टॉकिंग टू समबडी? कुछ ऐसे बीच में कुछ याद आ गया तो कुछ इंस्ट्रक्शन दे देते, ऐसा कुछ हो रहा था?
नहीं, अकेले ही।
अच्छा, आप अकेले थे
हम्म।
और आपने नोटिस किया आपके थॉट्स?
यानी थॉट्स में तो चेंज वैसे भी आया ही है।
वो नहीं, खाली कल की असाइनमेंट के बाद।
नहीं नहीं, वो एक्चुअली नोटिस नहीं किया है शायद।
हाँ,
कोई
ओके,
बात नहीं, अब मैं कल या परसों फिर से वो करूंगी और नोटिस करूंगी कि क्या आता है।
यस, ओके।
या
तो
थैंक
यू
यू।
कैन डू दिस एवरी डे, हम हर रोज कर सकते हैं कुछ मिनट अपने लिए निकाल के, एवरी सिंगल डे, नॉट ओनली वंस, वी कैन डू एज मेनी टाइम्स एज वी कैन। या
ओके।
who else wants to share? Thank you Rishita ji for
I
sharing.
have done. I have done.
Yeah,
नम्रता।
हाँ जी,
और मैं अवेयरनेस बढ़ जाती है।
हाँ
मतलब थैंक यू जो बोलना है वो
हाँ,
अवेयरनेस एक उसके लिए बढ़ जाती है। आई थिंक सो।
राइट, हाँ
और जो भी काम करते हैं तो वो उसमें भी हर एक काम में कल मैंने नोटिस किया कि ग्रेटफुल, अवेयरनेस, पॉजिटिविटी सब इंक्रीज हो रहा है।
after doing this exercise, right?
राइट राइट।
Yeah, this is a very good thing which you shared. Definitely, your intensity of gratitude increases and awareness भी increase हो जाती है. Yes,
फीलिंग वेरी गुड।
yeah. So did you try in the morning also today?
यस।
Hmm.
जल्दी उठ गई मैं आज। रात को मैं 12 बजे सो गई थी कल, लेकिन आज 5 बजे उठ गई मैं और एकदम फ्रेश मूड।
Hmm.
फीलिंग वेरी गुड।
Yes. Thank you. Thank you for sharing. Thank you so much. So anybody else wants to share?
गुड मॉर्निंग वंदना जी, हीना।
हाँ जी, मॉर्निंग।
हाँ, बस आगे सबने बोला वैसा ही फील हो रहा है, इतना अच्छा फील हो रहा है। और इतने कल मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मैं इतने डीप में सोच रही हूँ। मैंने जो क्लोथ्स पहने थे उसके कलर के बारे में भी मुझे ख्याल आया, वाह इतना बढ़िया कलर मैंने पहना है। वो वहां तक मेरी सोच, तो जिसने भी ये कलर का एक कपड़ा बनाया उनको भी थैंक्स। एंड मतलब जो थिंकिंग था वो भी इमेजिनेशन को या जो भी को वो भी काफी बढ़ गया है। और जैसे अंदर कैसे बोलता है कि मंथन, वो क्या मनोमंथन करते हैं कि अंदर से
हाँ जी, हाँ
कुछ,
जी।
हाँ अंदर मिक्सचर, ऊपर नीचे सब कुछ हो रहा है, इमोशंस में है वो। और ऊपर
चर्निंग होना शुरू हो गया है।
हाँ हाँ, राइट राइट राइट।
हाँ,
तो सब कुछ पॉजिटिव ही दिख रहा है। और अपने आप जो सराउंडिंग में जो भी लोग हैं वो लोग अच्छे तो थे पर ज्यादा अच्छे लगने लगे हैं।
हाँ,
सब देखने का नजरिया, सोचने का नजरिया, बोलने का नजरिया, सब कुछ चेंज हो गया है। तो जब ये कल वो कर रही थी स्टेप, तो बाहर तो नहीं जा पाई थी। वैसे नम्रता ने बोला 12 बजे तो हम लोग मतलब घर पे शादी है, नम्रता भी एक ही फैमिली में, तो हम तो वहां से 2 बजे आए थे, घर पे 2 बजे आए, बाद में सो गई, फिर अभी अर्ली मॉर्निंग वैसे ही उठ गई हूँ और फ्रेश हूँ कि नहीं इसको तो मिस नहीं करना है। रात को ही वैसे कमांड दे के सो गई थी, तो आज अभी इधर खड़ी हूँ, बैठी हूँ, सॉरी।
Wow. So yeah, thank you for the great sharing, हिना जी। आपने जो शेयर किया कि आपको अपने कपड़ों के कलर्स के बारे में भी you were aware and you were thankful to it कि जिसने भी ये कलर बनाया और जिसने भी ये क्लोथ्स बनाए, that was really really beautiful. So जो the labors of other men and what they have done, जो हमने वो कोट पढ़ा था कल in the beginning of the chapter. Everybody remembers that, वो जो हमने पढ़ा था, so unconsciously आपको वो ध्यान आया and you know it must have touched your heart. So yeah, that was really really beautiful. बहुत अच्छा था, बहुत अच्छा. And you keep on doing this, keep on doing this, and lots of changes will come. किसी ने ये नोटिस की कि whenever you were doing or while you were doing or afterwards जो मैजिकल फुटस्टेप्स लिए थे, उसके बाद या करने के टाइम में कंप्लेनिंग कम हो गई थी? वही चीज, वही जगह, वही लोग?
ये सेशन करने के बाद वैसे भी डे बाय डे वो तो कम ही हो रही है।
हाँ, मैंने
Lovely.
बोला है ना कि अपने सराउंडिंग में जो लोग थे तो अच्छे लगते थे, अब उससे भी ज्यादा अच्छे, तो कंप्लेनिंग वैसे ही कम हो गई, तभी ये सब होता है ना।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, लवली।
अभी तो क्या होता है कि मैं मेरे हस्बैंड को कुछ बोलती हूँ तो तुरंत कंप्लेन नहीं, वो मुझे सामने से बोल देते। मतलब सब इतना अंदर हमारे लाइफ में ये इतना ये चन हो गया है ना, तो
Yeah, this is the advantage जब घर के सारे लोग करने लग जाते हैं this practice of gratitude, तो दो एक दूसरे या अवेयरनेस आ जाती है एंड या फिर खुद को बोलते ही मालूम, बोलने से पहले ही सोचते हैं कि नहीं ये नहीं बोलना है, एंड बिकॉज एवरीबडी इज स्पीकिंग द सेम लैंग्वेज ना, एक ही लैंग्वेज सबको समझ आ रही है, और ये धीरे धीरे इसकी एनर्जीज इतनी पावरफुल है कि जो नहीं सुन रहे हैं, जो नहीं फॉलो कर रहे हैं, वो भी धीरे धीरे फॉलो करने लग जाएंगे, बिकॉज डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव बिहेवियर हो रहा है ना, यू आर डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिंग वॉट एवर यू आर सेइंग, एंड एवरीबडी स्पेशली बच्चे लोग बहुत फॉलो करते हैं.
चलिए वैसा ही होता है वंदना जी कि अगर किसी से कंप्लेन होती है ना, तो फिर नहीं मैं ये उसको बोलूंगी तो ये कंप्लेन हो जाएगी, तो फिर मुझे 10 ब्लेसिंग्स देने
10
पड़ेंगे वगैरह,
blessings.
तो वो बोलने ही नहीं पड़ते, बोलते ही नहीं है। अच्छा चलो फिर नेक्स्ट टाइम वो हो जाएगा कि मैं कर लूंगी, वॉट एवर है कि कंप्लेन करने की अंदर से कुछ फीलिंग्स ही नहीं आती है।
समथिंग विद इन स्टॉप्स यू, मतलब अंदर जो भी है वो स्टॉप कर देते हैं हमें. और आज की जो प्रैक्टिस है, आज का जो चैप्टर है हार्ट मैजिक, उसके बाद इंटेंसिटी और बढ़ जाएगी. it's the most, it's one of my favorite chapters, heart magic, and it's really really beautiful. So anybody else wants to share anything before we begin? Who would like to read today?
I'll read.
Can you tell your name?
Uma. Should I read?
Yeah, just
My video stopped. Okay.
yes. So today's chapter, just a minute, sorry Uma. Today's chapter is going to take us to a new level of gratitude. Every chapter is designed in such a way that it is interwoven. एक चैप्टर दूसरे चैप्टर से हमको एक अलग ही हाइट पे लेके जाता है. ओके, yesterday जब हमने वो एक क्वेश्चन ओपन रखा था कि when did anybody think about that किसी को कुछ आंसर मिला? जो एक क्वेश्चन ओपन रखा था सबके लिए, व्हाट वाज इट? किसी को याद है?
No, even I'm trying to remember. I know there was some extra homework and I can't remember.
Okay, anybody else?
No.
Okay, so when we were speaking about that example of the paper, जब वो उसको धूप में रख देते हैं तो क्या होता है, and जब magnifying glass के, when we keep under magnifying glass, then it catches fire, and fire has a property of transforming and purifying. तो जब हम gratitude करते हैं तो our mind transform, जो सबने आज शेयर किया कि सराउंडिंग वही है, सब कुछ वही है, लेकिन डिफरेंट लग रहा है, and you know the intensity of gratitude is increasing after the magical footsteps. So ये क्या हो रहा है, you know, we have to join the dots. So our heart is getting purified because of the concentrated practice of gratitude. और जब heart purify होता है, then what happens? That was the question which was put to all. Anybody, any guesses right now? कुछ समझ आ रहा है अभी? कुछ आंसर आ रहा है कि when the heart purifies, then what flows out? What flows out?
More spirituality. I mean, you reach a different level.
Yeah. So
Of
can you give a word?
Heart and love. Love flows
Love.
out.
Love.
Yes. Love. That is. So you remember on the feeling chart, love was at
Above the line.
It was just at the top level. मतलब सबसे ऊपर was love, then was gratitude, and love was the closest to the light of the sun, from where we all have come from. So yes, it was love, and so beautiful ना. If yesterday's chapter, वो seed डाल दिया गया था, whatever we did yesterday, so as to feel the next chapter, which is today, Heart Magic, and it's all about love. Yes. So actually, in this book Magic, Rhonda Byrne has spoken more only about gratitude, but somewhere now, you know, as the chapters are increasing, and you know, as we are going further, as we are reading the chapters, and now we are in week 3 of our reading, and we will very soon, after a day, we are going to step into week 4. So now we are actually, कुछ experiences अलग ही होंगे. So my invitation to all of you is be aware. मतलब पूरी सजगता के साथ अपनी दिनचर्या में ध्यान दीजिए, आपको बहुत कुछ चीजें नजर आएगी, and the universe is actually going to start communicating with you. You know, एक आपको पर ध्यान देना होगा कि आपके चारों तरफ क्या unusual हो रही है. Okay, so this was very good. You got the cue that it is love which starts flowing out when our heart transforms. So that magical flow of love starts. But this feeling of love is beautifully expressed in her other book, which is called Power. So in this book, she just has touched gratitude, and this golden thread of gratitude only connects us. This power of gratitude connects us with love. Yes. So now let's look at the picture. Yes. कितने लोगों ने ऑलरेडी सोचना शुरू कर दिया था क्या दिख रहा है पिक्चर में? What is it? Can we talk about this picture?
Heart है.
Trunk of the
Magic
tree
sprinkle.
पर heart.
Tree है.
Sorry, one by one. या तो you can write it on the chat. For those who can write fast, they can write it on the chat. Otherwise, एक जन. Yes.
Feel love everywhere.
Feel love everywhere. But what is there in the picture?
Heart on the tree.
Yes. Can we connect with the picture? जो दिख रहा है?
Yeah,
Magic.
so these are, you know, what these youngsters, you know, when they're in love, they carve out these hearts on trees, you know, and they're at a different level when they're in love, no? they like are not
Div-
on earth. They are
अलग ही दुनिया होती है.
Yes, yes, okay. What else? Trunk of the tree, yes, Maggie ji. Heart is on the trunk of the tree, yes.
And magic dust is on the heart.
Magic dust has, yeah, heart has magical dust. Lovely, lovely. So what? Can we join the dots?
Spread love everywhere.
Okay, yes.
nature.
हाँ, so what is nature? Nature तो है. What is nature? उससे
Love the
हमारा
nature.
हमारा क्या connection है उस nature से? What is the connection with nature?
Nature nature gives with love. So we should give back, maybe. I don't know.
Yes,
back.
yes, yes.
That's
Why?
about-
Maybe yes, yes.
Magic happens when we connect to the nature.
Yes. Who's this?
Margi.
Lovely. Amazing, amazing. Yes. Anybody else? कुछ और आ रहा है?
We have to sprinkle magic dust.
To sprinkle-
Magic of love, you know.
Yes. Yes. It is a sign of love which has been engraved on a tree which only gives. Yes. Amazing. So now we all are connecting, we are really connecting because the covering around our heart is dropping day by day. Every day we are unconsciously, we are dropping the coverings around the heart by the feeling of gratitude.
तो ट्री के उसके ऊपर ट्री के जो लीव्स है उनके अंदर से भी जैसे रोशनी आ रही है तो
यस यस हाँ, तो उससे क्या फर्क पड़ रहा है?
चारों तरफ प्रकाश फैल रहा है.
ओके ओके
So it will light up our lives.
Okay. Yes. Yes, really. Yes. So the magic is lighting up our lives. Yes. The magic of gratitude. Yes. Anybody else? So if we really look at the trunk of the tree, ये जो एकदम, it feels like it's a very, very old, ancient tree. तो हम as humans have also traveled a long journey. हमने कितनी life को travel करके we have got this body. We don't know how many life forms we have traveled. And it looks like, to me, what I understood was, it looks like a very old, ancient tree. It could be, when we think of an ancient tree, either we think of a peepal tree or a banyan tree, or it could be a very, very old mango tree. So आप भी, you can imagine, जो आपने अपनी life में देखा होगा कि very, very old tree जिसके roots भी hang हो रहे हैं, and it's a very old tree. And so now let's understand कि what makes a tree. एक पेड़ किन चीजों से बनता है? 5 elements से. Earth is there, soil, then water, then fire. Because अगर वो tree को हम, अगर वो जो उसके जो stems है, उसके जो branches है, उनको अगर हम काट देते हैं या वो अपने आप गिर जाते हैं, या ट्री की जब हम ट्रिमिंग करते हैं तो उसको हम जलाते हैं, and we make use it, fire is created. तो fire है, उसमें wind है, हवा के बिना tree will not grow, and there's space of course, and these same elements are there inside us. We are made up of these same 5 elements, right? Yes, no?
Yes.
And
Yes.
and human body को life कौन देता है? What gives life to the human body? The heart? Yes. So the heart of a human body and the heart of nature the heart of this tree, the heart of our human body and the heart of this tree, which is a part of nature, it's connected ना. और हमें प्रकृति क्या सिखाती है? प्रकृति, it tells us, it teaches us to give, to be grateful. क्या प्रकृति कभी हमें बोलती है कि मुझे आप दो कुछ? Does nature
Not
tell
expectation.
कि
Expectation.
No.
and when we look around in nature, we see the sun every day. Does the sun tells to the earth that I owe you? Every day I'm coming, every day I'm rising, every day I'm giving my light, every day I'm spreading my light. Nahi na. So what we learn, the art of giving and the art of gratitude, the feeling of gratitude from nature. So this golden thread of gratitude connects our heart to the heart of Mother Nature. Yes, हमारी heart और धरती माँ की heart को क्या connect करता है? This golden thread of gratitude. So you know what we can start doing is that you can connect with a tree. अपनी चारों तरफ, अगर आपके पास आपके चारों तरफ या कहीं पे भी आप वॉक पे जा रहे हो every day, or under your building or under your office, we all have trees na. So let's make friends with the trees. Has anybody tried talking to the trees or any plant that you have at home? Sorry.
I have hugged the tree. I'll show you.
Yes, lovely. So, and how do you feel when you hug a tree?
Oh, nice. I feel connected to Mother.
Yes, yes. So that is what, if we can choose a tree for ourselves and hug a tree, then our heart chakra opens. And so beautiful that when we go into the chakra healing, the color of the heart chakra is green. And the color of, we see shades, all possible shades of green picture. Yes, somebody wants to say anything?
No, I just wanted to share that I am having a habit of talking to trees.
Yes. And what do you feel? Do they talk to you back? Do you get your answers?
When I wake up, first thing what we do is we give dana, matlab wo hum to, there are many crows, so we give gatia.
Yeah.
So there is a nest outside my window, on the tree. So what happens? Every day the crows are waiting for us to wake up. Just when we open the door, the birds are waiting for us.
Yes.
I talk to them, I talk to the tree. And जब भी सीजन चेंज होता है तो पत्ते गिर जाते हैं, तो आई जस्ट लाफ कि अरे क्या हुआ, तेरा हाल अभी खराब है, कोई नहीं, आएंगे, अच्छे दिन आएंगे. ऐसा आई जस्ट यूज्ड टू टॉक.
यस.
सो आई नो कि वो बातें करना भी अच्छा लगता है. वो क्रो, वो पिजन जो आके वेट करते हैं, तो मैं उसको बोलती हूँ कि अभी रुक, मैं काम कर रही हूँ, अभी वेट कर. वो जैसे समझते हैं ना, ऐसे पूरी शांति से वेट करेंगे कि हाँ वो दे रही है, अभी चलो.
Yes. And supposing, when we are feeling lonely or something, or has anybody noticed ki when you give, if you have a plant at home and when you touch that plant and when you give love to the plant responds and it grows beautifully?
Yes.
Yeah. So I would like to share just a small sharing over here, and it will be a very quick sharing, that since past I always have that desire in my heart to have एकदम एक पूरी गोल बड़ा तुलसी प्लांट हो मेरे घर में. तो मैं but tulsi plant is supposed to be the most sensitive of all the plants. So since last 2-3 days वो मेरी तुलसी की एक जो डाल थी वो ऐसे leaves उसकी droop होने लग गई. So I was, मेरे को कुछ I don't feel good जब ऐसे होता है तो yesterday I just sat in front of the tulsi plant and I was thinking कि क्यों ऐसा हो रहा है, इतना ध्यान रखने के बाद भी why is it happening. So I just touched the plant and I just visualized कि वो पूरा गोल हो रहा है प्लांट, और जो जो डाल सूख गई है उसमें भी लीव्स आने लग गई हैं. एंड आई जस्ट सैट, एकदम बैठ गई मैं कि आज तो मुझे ये करके ही मतलब पूरा विजुलाइज करना ही है. और मुझे महसूस हुआ कि जब भी मैं तुलसी प्लांट में पानी डालती हूँ सुबह, there's somebody is not muted, can you please mute yourself. तो उस मुझे एक फियर होता है कि पता नहीं मैं राइट टाइम में पानी डाल रही हूँ कि पानी ज्यादा डाल रही हूँ, या आई यूज्ड टू गिव विद दैट फियर कि नहीं, मेरी प्लांट को कुछ होना नहीं चाहिए. And I became aware of it yesterday and I just sat and gave पूरा विजुलाइज किया कि तुलसी प्लांट एकदम बड़ा हो गया है एंड उसमें लीव्स पूरी तरह से आ गए हैं, पूरा पॉट में तुलसी तुलसी एकदम हो गई है, नई लीव्स भी ग्रो हो रही है. And you won't believe, today morning when I saw, आज तो on a Sunday, I don't know, we don't put water in the tulsi plant, और आज जब मैंने देखा उसे तो जो लीव्स जो पूरी मतलब 15-20 लीव्स जो ऐसे से धूप हो रही थी वो पूरी एकदम खड़ी हो गई है. एंड इट्स लुकिंग सो ब्यूटिफुल. So this is how things work with our mind. What energies we give. Unconsciously I was giving my energy of fear to the tulsi plant कि इसे कुछ हो नहीं जाए. So that was, and then when I became aware of it and I started giving my the end thing what I want, like how we visualize our dreams ना, कि जो हमें चाहिए वो ही देखो. तो मुझे जो चाहिए था वो मैं देखने लग गई उस प्लान में. And now today I can really see the leaves, जो 15-20 leaves जो ऐसे से एकदम नीचे गिरने लग गई थी वो पूरी एकदम खड़ी हो गई है वापस से. Yes. Yeah, so we can start reading the chapter.
Day 20, Heart Magic.
Yes.
Gratitude is the memory of the heart, by Jean-Baptiste Masselot, 1743 to 1818, French Revolution activist.
Yes, so कृतज्ञता हृदय की स्मृति है. How? Can anybody tell me? Let's all do some brainstorming. कृतज्ञता हृदय की स्मृति है, कैसे? Yes, किसी को कुछ समझ आ रहा है कैसे?
जो अपनी अच्छी जो यादें हैं ना, तो वो हमको जो है कुछ भी अच्छा हुआ होता ना तो वो हम लंबे तक समय तक याद रख सकते हैं, और कुछ बुरा हुआ है वो जल्दी से भूल ही जाते हैं.
नहीं, हाँ, what I understand is ये हमारा नेचर है. वी आर ओरिजिनली, मतलब हमारा दिल ऐसा ही है. फिर
हाँ.
जो हम नेगेटिविटी है वो बाहर से हम इम्बाइब करते हैं.
ओके, हाउ?
मतलब कि जैसे बच्चे होते हैं वो कितने प्योर हार्ट के होते हैं
जी.
वो अगर हमने अभी उनको डांटा तो वो फटाफट से भूल के वापस आ जाएंगे हमारे पास.
हाँ.
They don't keep those things in their heart. They keep only love for everyone.
Yes, gratitude. Yes.
हाँ, तो gratitude is the memory of heart, मतलब दिल को वही याद रखना है. ये उसका नेचर है हार्ट का.
या हार्ट का स्वभाव है.
हाँ.
हीना जी, what did you say? आपने क्या बोला था?
मैंने बोला था कि जो अच्छी हमारी जो वैसे जैसे बचपन की यादें हैं कि जो भी अच्छी यादें हैं वो हम याद रखते हैं, और जो भी बुरा हुआ हो है तो उसको हम इतना नहीं याद रखते हैं, वो जल्दी भूल जाते हैं.
हाँ.
बट नहीं, जरूरी नहीं है. किसी के बुरी यादें जो ज्यादा बुरी हो वो रह जाती है.
रह जाती कहाँ पे?
मालूम नहीं, दिमाग में, हार्ट में, दिमाग में तो रहती है.
दिमाग में रहती है और दिल में भी रहती है.
हाँ, कहीं पे हर्ट होते हैं हम लोग.
हर्ट, हाँ
हर्ट है तो वो रहता है, हर्ट
वो
मीन्स
जाता ही नहीं है, हाँ वो नहीं जाता कभी।
हम ऐसा
कभी
बोलते हैं ना कि
नहीं।
हमने दिल पे बात ले ली है, आप दिल पे मत लो, हाँ, व्हाई डू वी से दैट? सो ग्रैटिट्यूड, अगर हम कृतज्ञता ना, वो तो हमने जो अच्छी नहीं लगती उसके बारे में बात किया अभी तक, हाँ, एंड वी एक्चुअली स्टार्टेड कंप्लेनिंग. So now we have to give 10 blessings.
Yes.
Okay, so now the what this line says is gratitude is the memory of the heart. कृतज्ञता हृदय की स्मृति है. Has anybody, so it, what I felt, what I understood is, in the core of our hearts we are all carrying this feeling of gratitude. मतलब हम जो अपने दिल के अंदर, जो हमारी दिल की जो एक्चुअल में एसेंस है, जो हमारी खुद की जो एसेंस है, ईच यू कैन ब्रिंग इन द सोल हियर, जो सोल की एसेंस है, दैट इज ग्रैटिट्यूड, दैट इज कृतज्ञता. So have we just when I'm explaining this, I'm just thinking of कि अगर जब एक इंसान, when the person is towards the last days of his life, उसको, कई लोगों को पता चल जाता है ना कि अब now these are my last days. Supposing the person is not well, या the person is gone into coma, या the person is very sick, थोड़ा सा awareness है, लेकिन उसे पता चल जाता है कि अब I won't be able to live longer. कुछ लोग ऐसे बोल भी देते हैं ना कि अब मेरा अंत आ गया है. Has anybody gone through this experience?
No.
Nobody? Okay. So I remember, so before I take this example, so what happens is when we are towards the last days of our life, we actually get connected. We talk to people and we tell, मेरे से ये ऐसी गलती हो गई, मुझे माफ कर देना. We get connected to people and we actually express our gratitude. उस समय वो आदमी, जब लास्ट डेज में, द पर्सन इज नॉट गोइंग टू कंप्लेन फॉर एनीथिंग, so that is the essence of a human being. Gratitude is the memory of the heart. And how are we, अगर हमारी heart हमारे लिए धड़क रही है, if the heart is beating for us, if we know that we are because this body is existing because of the heart, so that is the essence of a human being. And when we are during the last moments of our life, what we remember is only gratitude. So I remember when my father was, he had cancer, and so I was with him at that time. So when he passed on, उसके कुछ 10-15 दिन पहले से, he started calling. He was in great pain actually, but in that pain also he started calling all his friends and relatives with whom he had indifferences, or he was, differences or no indifferences. He started calling everyone, and he started asking for, maybe मैंने ऐसा कुछ किया है तो मुझे माफ कर देना. Or he started asking for forgiveness to everyone. Every single person he called, and last 15 days में this was the only thing what he was doing. So now I am recollecting, अब मुझे समझ आ रहा है कि why he did that, because he got connected with his inner being. अपने सोल से उनका कनेक्शन हो गया था. That light which was there inside, he got connected with that. And what is that light? That light is gratitude. That light is gratitude. And when we are flowing in gratitude, we forgive everybody. हम क्यों ऐसा महसूस कर रहे हैं कि बाहरी दुनिया सेम है, लेकिन अंदर कुछ चेंज हुआ है? When we have stepped into this world of magic, we all are experiencing this every day, na? Yes, no? Why? Because has changed, and we have got in touch with our inner being. मतलब जो हम एक्चुअल में है, जो हमारी एसेंस है, उसको हमने टच कर दिया है. And what is the essence? That is the feeling of the heart, which is gratitude. So does this make sense? Did this contribute to your understanding of whatever?
Yes.
Yes? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Please continue.
You might have figured out by now that with any magical practice of gratitude, the aim is always to feel it as much as you can. This is because when you increase the feeling of gratitude on the inside, the things you have to be grateful for in the outside world increase too. Eventually, after practicing gratitude for a long period of time, you will automatically feel it deeply in your heart. However, today's magical practice will collapse the time it would normally take for you to reach that level.
Very beautiful, very beautiful. However, today's magical practice will collapse the time it would normally take for you to reach that level. मतलब अभी तक जो हमने 19 days से we are practicing gratitude, अभी तक हमने जो फील किया है, आज की जो प्रैक्टिस हम करने जा रहे हैं, उससे हमारी ग्रैटिट्यूड की लेवल कुछ अलग ही हो जाएगी. You know, it's we are actually going to start flying today. And yesterday, after doing the magical practice, the steps which we took, 100 steps or more than that, did anybody feel that actually you were flying actually after that? You were all ready to, your body became lighter. Did anybody feel that?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes, so now today's magical practice will actually make us more lighter, and the feeling of gratitude will increase exponentially. Matlab, we'll see how it will, and once we experience, we will understand how it will. But this is what the chapter is telling us, कि आज के बाद your feeling of gratitude will be amazing. It will go to a different level altogether. So for some of us, I think yesterday or day before yesterday, somebody was sharing that my feeling is not coming as yet. My
That
feeling is not
me,
that
that was
intense.
me. Yeah,
Yes, yes, Uma.
yeah,
So
and you said that will come.
yeah, and so after today's practice, you see how your feelings,
Okay.
you'll start flying. Yes, please continue.
The, ma- the heart magic practice is designed to powerfully increase the depths that you feel gratitude. By focusing your mind on the area of your heart as you say and feel the magic word, thank you. Scientific research has shown that by focusing on your heart as you feel gratitude, the rhythm of your heart immediately becomes much more even and harmonious, resulting in major improvements to your immune system and health. That gives you an idea of the power of heart magic. It takes a little practice the first time you try it, but it is worth the effort. After a few times, you will get it, and each time you practice it, your feeling of gratitude will increase exponentially.
Yes, so what are we going to do is that to increase the depths of gratitude, you have to focus on the area of your heart. We'll do some visualization today at the end of after we've completed reading the chapter. So focusing on the area of your heart, we all know where the heart is, right? So feel the magic words, thank you. You have to say and feel. This word feeling is really emphasized here because the heart understands the language of feeling. And we always say na, that I feel from my heart and I think from my brain. कभी किसी ने सोचा है कि क्या आप ब्रेन से फील कर सकते हैं? कैन यू फील? वी ऑलवेज से ना, मुझे ऐसा महसूस हो रहा है, हाथ अपने आप इधर चला जाता है. क्या हम ऐसा कहते हैं कि मुझे ऐसा महसूस हो रहा है? डू वी एवर से लाइक दैट? नो ना. So yes, no, everybody.
No.
Oh no.
Yes. So we actually feel from our heart. Feeling is always from our heart. And the more we feel, so कई बार क्या होता है, unconsciously we are involved in so many of our routine activities that we feel, but हमें वो वो ध्यान नहीं जाता, that awareness is not there. So after doing today's practice, we will actually move into a beautiful space of awareness, whereas हर बात हम फील करके करेंगे। अब जो अभी हम सोच के कर रहे थे, अब हम हमारी फीलिंग की लेवल एक अलग ही स्पेस में पहुंच जाएगी। एंड साइंटिफिकली ऑल्सो इट हैज been proved that focusing on your heart, as you feel gratitude, the rhythm of your heart immediately becomes more even and harmonious, resulting in major improvements in your immune system and health. How is that possible? So we are going to experience that. That jab hum, whenever we are focusing on our heart, let's do it right now. Just put your right palm on your heart. You could put it in the center of your chest, or maybe because we have, it's a belief, we have been, we have been told that the heart is little towards the left. So maybe our palms will go little towards the left. That's fine. You can keep it in the center of the chest, which is the heart center, and just feel your heartbeats. Feel your heartbeats. You can keep your eyes shut. You might not feel, you might feel, that's fine. Feel the rhythm of your heart. Yes. Everybody felt? Yes, no?
Yes.
Could we hear our heartbeats?
Yes.
Yes, everybody else, can you write it on the chat? Yes, no? If you didn't
Yes.
feel, write no. Who didn't feel? Anybody didn't feel or everybody felt? जिनको नहीं सुनाई दिया वो नो लिख दीजिए प्लीज, और जिनको so if it's yes yes, if it's no no, just write it on the chat. Okay, no. Okay, no. Okay, lovely, lovely. So we'll be let's see what happens as we read the chapter and as we do our visualization, and then we'll see what happens. Yes, that's fine. Even मैंने भी जब पहली बार when I started hearing my heartbeats, I couldn't hear it. So yes, that it's not unusual. It's something which happens with most of us. That's fine. Yes, please continue.
To practice heart magic, focus your mind and your attention on the area around your heart. It doesn't matter if you focus on the inside or the outside of your body. Close your eyes because it will make it easier, and while keeping your mind focused on your heart, mentally say the magic word, thank you. Once you practice it a few times, you won't need to close your eyes anymore. But as a general rule, you will feel more gratitude when you close your eyes. There are several things you can do to help you get heart magic down really quickly. You can put your right hand on the area around your heart to keep your mind focused there while you say the magic words, thank you. Or you can imagine the magic words, thank you, are coming out of your heart rather than as your mind as you say them. As a part of today's magical practice, take your top 10 desire list and practice heart magic to each desire. Read each desire in your mind out or out loud. And when you get to the end of reading each one, close your eyes, focus your mind on the area around your heart, keep your mind on the heart area, and say the magic word, thank you, slowly. Again, you can use the tips I've given above if it helps you. After you finish the heart magic on each of your desires, you will have not only increased the depth of gratitude you are able to reach, you will also have dramatically increased your gratitude for your top desires.
Yes, we'll pause here. So what is the chapter telling us to do? That today's magical practice is, first you connect with your heart. You feel that connection with your heart. Supposing you're not able to connect, then what you can do is You can connect with anything you look around in nature and feel that thing in your heart. You know, if you're connected, for example, with a tree or with the sky or with the air, just connect anything and then feel it in your heart. Okay, or connect with your breathing. That is also fine. Uma, you've written felt my breathing. Yes, connect with your breathing. That is beautiful. And then you take your top 10 desire list. Remember, we had written our top 10 desire list. Everybody has written yes, no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So you'll take
Yeah.
that in front of you and you practice your heart magic on each desire. So what would you do? You read each desire in your mind or out loud. My suggestion to you is that you can read it loudly, little loudly, so that your mind is not distracted. So read it out loud, and when you get to the end of reading each one, close your eyes and focus on the mind on the area around your heart, and keep your mind on your heart area so that connection is developed of the heart and the desire, the dream list, that one which you have chosen, and then you say thank you slowly, and then read all one by one till you have finished and you have completed all the 10. So what will happen after this? We are going to experience doing it in today's assignment. Today we are going to do this. क्या होगा वो everybody will share tomorrow, but what is the book saying right now is it's promising you that the depth of gratitude you are able to reach will increase dramatically, and it will dramatically increase your feeling of gratitude and the gratitude for your top desires. So all this will happen only by doing this. Yes, please continue.
You can continue to practice heart magic on your desires regularly if you want to speed up the receiving of them. Or you can use heart magic anytime you say the magic word, thank you. Even just using heart magic a couple of times a day will have a big effect on your happiness and on the magic in your life.
Yes. So tell me one thing, this natural instinct is there or not in each one of us? Let's check. When we say thank you and we actually are feeling it, मतलब एकदम हम बिल्कुल intensity के साथ और बिल्कुल feel करके जब हम बोलते हैं, तो क्या हमारा हाथ naturally heart के पास चला जाता है? Does that happen naturally? Yes, no?
Yes.
Unconsciously, is that happening?
Yes.
Yes. Who else? Yes, no? Anybody किसी ने notice किया है या नहीं notice किया है?
Not noticed.
Not notice, and you have not. I mean, it doesn't happen also, right? Okay. Okay. So for those who have felt it, and for those who haven't felt it, let's see what shifts after practicing heart magic. Once we feel that connection, once we feel that, that connection, which is, we start connecting with our hearts, and that feeling of gratitude increasing when we are with our hearts. So then automatically our body, our body will respond, our body language will change. Yes, and it will happen unconsciously. आप देखोगे अपने आप होगा. Yes, please continue.
Once you have practiced heart magic a few times, you will feel a huge increase in the depth of your feeling. And with gratitude, it's all about the depth of the feeling. Because the deeper the feeling, the greater the abundance you will receive. The initial physical sign that you've increased the depth of your feeling could be that you get a tingling feeling around your heart, or a of feel feel a wave of joy rush through your body. Your eyes may fill with tears, or you may get goosebumps. But without exception, you will begin to feel a depth of peace and happiness you've never felt before.
Yes, so these all the chapters in this book are designed so beautifully that it will accelerate today's assignment. After we do today's assignment, what the book is telling us to do, it will actually accelerate our feelings of gratitude. So, let's take an example. When we learn how to ride a cycle, what happens? First, you will fall many times, right? Because if you're not able to balance, you will fall many times, na? And when you learn how to balance, then you try to increase the speed of riding the cycle. And supposing if you are on a gear cycle, then you will take the gear to a higher level, and then you can actually speed up riding the cycle. Similarly, now we have learned how to balance. Till now we have learned how to balance, and now it's time to increase the speed of gratitude by doing this assignment, and you will all experience it. You will all experience it. So, what will be the feeling? How would you know that you have actually connected with your heart? There will be a feeling, there'll be a wave of joy. There'll be, sometimes you'll feel, बोलते हैं ना खुशी के आंसू हैं. So that feeling will come, that blissful feeling will come, or you may get goosebumps, or without exception you will begin to feel a depth of peace and happiness. मतलब कुछ एक unexplainable peace we will experience, or that unexplainable happiness we all are experiencing, many of us are experiencing, right? And we have shared also na कि कुछ एक अलग ही खुशी है. There's some kind of joy and happiness, and have things around us same, but our feelings have changed. Why? Because there is something which is shifted within us in our heart. जो हमने अपने हार्ट के चारों तरफ जो कवरिंग्स हो गई थी, उसको धीरे धीरे एक एक कवरिंग, एक एक वॉल डिसॉल्विंग, वो ब्रेक हो रहा है, अपने आप डिसॉल्व हो रहा है. हाउ? With the different ways of gratitude. And now this is going to happen. So let's experience for ourselves. We'll do a visualization after reading this magic practice number 20. Please continue.
Magic practice number 20, heart magic. Number 1, count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you're grateful. Reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Number 2, focus your mind and your attention on the area around your heart. Close your eyes, and while keeping your mind focused on your heart, mentally say the magic word, thank you. Take your top 10 desire list.
1 minute, sorry. Yeah.
Take your top 10 desire lists and practice heart magic by reading each desire, then closing your eyes, focusing your mind on the area around your heart, and slowly saying thank you again. Number 5, just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, thank you, for the best thing that happened during the day.
Yes, so first is count your blessings. What are we supposed to do today? Uh, Make a list of 10 blessings, write why you're grateful. So now when you're counting your blessings and you're making a list of 10 blessings every day, what I have done is that when I read each blessing and when I say thank you, thank you, thank you, then I just connect it with my heart, and आप भी ऐसा कर सकते हैं. You could also do that. See if it feels good to you, you can carry on doing it. Otherwise, the way you're doing, you can carry on. But this is an added thing which I wanted to share, that you can just connect with your heart when you're saying thank you, thank you, thank you. And, just feel as much as you can. So that way, if you're doing, your feeling increases. Then the second is focus your mind and your attention on the area around your heart. So consciously you have to bring in your awareness. Consciously you have to do that. So agar mind kahin aur ja raha hai, to first, if you are in that state where your mind is not attentive, bring your mind to that space. By how you can do, you can add one more thing here. You can focus on your breaths. When you focus on your breaths, your inhalations and your exhalations, then your attention goes inwards. आपका ध्यान अंदर की दुनिया में चला जाता है, and then you can focus on the area around your heart. Then what do? You close your eyes, and while keeping your mind focused on your heart, mentally say the magic words, thank you. So then why do we close our eyes? Because the moment our eyes are open and the eyes touch any object, the mind gets distracted. So the mind will move out. You're trying to bring your awareness inside. You're trying to flow inside your body because you want to feel the heart. Okay. So that's why it's advised that close your eyes and then mentally say the magic words, thank you. Take your top 10 desire list and practice heart magic by reading each desire and then closing your eyes, focusing your mind on the desire, read by one, and then connect that desire, that dream of yours, feel it actually happening in your heart space. When you are connected with that desire, when you are connected with your heart, feel it, you visualize it actually happening in the space. Remember, we have been saying this, that first we make things happen in our inner world. So for everything that happens in our life, it happens twice. Once when it happens inside our inner world, we create it with our thoughts, words. हम पूरा एक picture बना ही लेते हैं already, before it actually happens. And then, so the second time when anything happens is when it actually happens. So पहले अंदर की दुनिया में वो चीज पूरी होती है, then it comes out. So our inner world, the outer world, is a reflection of the inner world. Different ways of saying it, but first it manifests in our inner world and then it actually happens in the outer world. So what are we trying to do actually? We're trying to change things in our inner world by the feeling of gratitude. Yes? No?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So that is what now, that change, that step of ours to change the inner world, the intensity of that is going to increase so much that we actually will become like magnets. We will attract things so powerfully once you change your inner world by doing this practice of heart magic. So we will all be experiencing this in a short visualization very soon. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, thank you for the best thing that happened during the day. Yes, thank you so much, Uma, for reading the chapter for us today. Thank you so much. And if anybody has any doubts before we start the visualization, anything not understood or anything you want to share? Anybody wants to share anything? Silence? I love this silence. Nobody wants to share anything. Nobody wants to ask. Okay, so then we can start today's visualization. Is everybody ready for the visualization?
Yes.
Yes.
Lovely. So make yourself sit in a very, very comfortable position today. If you want to take a wall support, take a wall support. If there is any uncomfortable feeling in the body, make yourself as comfortable as you can. You can either sit on the chair, or if you're sitting on the floor, Try not to move today. You know, just make yourself comfortable, switch off your cell phones. Any other distractions outside, you can tell everyone not to disturb you for another few minutes. So just focus on your breaths. Bring the mind to the breaths, accepting every breath as it comes, accepting every inhalation, and as the inhalation flows into the exhalation, and as the exhalation flows into the inhalation, this circle of breaths flowing inside the body. Every inhalation merging into the exhalation, and every exhalation merging into the inhalation. See, if you are holding your breath unconsciously, try not to hold your breath. Let every inhalation flow like a flowing river into the exhalation, and every exhalation flow into the inhalation. This constant flow of breaths is happening every moment of our lives. Even when we are in our sleep state, this flow is going on. It never stops. And what makes it flow like this? That one organ that makes it flow like this is our heart. So just placing your right palm on the heart center. Gently place your right palm on the heart center. And now see if you can connect with the sound of your heartbeats. Can you connect with the sound of your heartbeats? And the sound of your breaths? The sound of your breaths and the sound of your heartbeats. And just smiling at your heart. Let the eyes be in the heart center. Let the eyeballs roll into the heart as if the eyeballs have rolled down and they are happy to stay in the space of the heart. In the heart. Thank you, my heart. Thank you so much for being there. Thank you. मैं आज तुम्हारी वजह से जिंदा हूँ. Thank you. Thank you, my heart, for keeping me alive. Thank you for beating for so many years from the time I took my first breath when I was born. Since that time you are beating for me. जिस समय से मैं इस दुनिया में आई हूँ या आया हूँ, उस समय से तुम धड़क रहे हो मेरे लिए. And you never wanted a holiday. Not even a single second you wanted a holiday. And you are continuously beating without any complaints, without any grudges. Thank you so much. I love you so much. Because of you, all my body parts are functioning properly. Because of you, all my organs are functioning properly. Because of you, My liver is able to perform its functions. Because of you, my kidneys are functioning properly. Because of you, my gallbladder and my spleen, my pancreas and my stomach, and my lungs, and my uterus, and my ovaries, and my urinary bladder, all that is functioning properly just because of you. And if you stop, then all these functions will stop. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being so kind to me. Thank you. Because of you, I can breathe. And because of you, I'm alive today. I am able to sit. I am able to walk. I am able to hear. I'm able to do all my worldly duties and responsibilities because of you. तुम्हारे कारण ही मैं सब कुछ कर पा रही हूँ या कर पा रहा हूँ. अगर तुम नहीं होते तो मेरा अस्तित्व ही नहीं है कुछ. तुम्हारे बिना I don't have, मुझे मेरा कोई अस्तित्व नहीं है. If you wouldn't have been there, I would not been able to exist. I would not exist. So forgive me that till today I didn't talk to you. I never spoke to you. I never took out my time to connect with you, to speak to you. And I didn't say I love you. I never expressed my love towards you. And I never expressed my gratitude towards you. I never expressed my thankfulness towards you. Thank you so much. Thank you. I love you. Feel that smile from your heart. Feel this heart smiling at you. And feel that smile spreading in every part of your body, every cell of your body, smiling with the smile of the heart. Every bones of your body radiating that smile. Every muscle of your body feeling that joy. And feel that love. Feel that smile running into your blood, running through your blood vessels. Feel that happiness. Feel that bliss flowing through your skin, opening up all the pores of your skin. Feel it in every trillions of cells in our body. Feel it in the center of every cell, in the nucleus of the cell. Feel it. Feel it. And say thank you. Thank you, my heart. Thank you so much for being there always. Before I ask anything, you have given it to me. I have never asked that I want to breathe in. I have never asked that I want to breathe out. But you are making it happen for me. Every second, every moment of my life, I am able to live is because of you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. stay in this space for a few more breaths. Stay in this space of love. Stay in this space of gratitude for a few more breaths. And then whenever you feel like, slowly open your eyes. Yes, anybody wants to share anything? How did you feel after doing this visualization? You want to write, you want to share, you can unmute yourselves and share. For those of you who couldn't connect with the sound of your heartbeats, who couldn't feel the heartbeats, were you able to connect? Yes, no?
No.
Lovely. Thank you, Margiji. Anybody else?
But I feel वरना जी जब भी आप मेडिटेशन कराते हैं,
हाँ जी,
तो मेरे शरीर के सारे पोर्स खुल जाते हैं, एकदम जैसे लगता है दे आर स्माइलिंग, ऐसा फील होता है.
लवली. बट आज आपने अपने हार्ट से यू कनेक्टेड, वर यू एबल टू कनेक्ट? नो,
बट नहीं, धड़कन नहीं सुनाई दी.
ओके, कोई बात नहीं. आप जितना अपने उस अवेयरनेस में रहोगे ना, उतना आपको सुनाई देगा. जितना आप यू इंक्रीज योर फीलिंग ऑफ ग्रैटिट्यूड ऑल्सो, जितना आप अपनी कृतज्ञता को इंक्रीज करोगे during the day, and do this practice and see what happens. You know, early in the morning, when you wake up, just connect with your heartbeats. Many times during the day today, just connect with your heartbeats. You will be able to, experience it. And we'll talk about it tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, Usha ji, for sharing. Yes, anybody else has any sharings? For some of us, you might not be, in a state to talk anything. That is fine. That is fine. Absolutely fine. This is what happens when we are with our heart, because that is also the space of our higher self, our soul. So when you are connected with your soul, then you enter into the space of silence and peace, wherein you don't want to speak anything. That is also fine, completely fine. So just my invitation to all those, I can understand, I can feel that there are many people who are in that space. So just be in that space for as long as you feel like, without talking, and you can just talk to your heart and be as grateful as you can. Feel that love flowing from your heart and let it flow and spread that love, spread that gratitude, spread that feeling of joy, spread that feeling of happiness. Feel it. So yes, so now it's time for us to end today's session. Thank you everyone for being a part of today's lovely session. Thank you so much, and be with your heart today as much as you can. Today is a Sunday. We have time for ourselves other than what our work demands us to be into. So just be with your heart as much as you can. Connect with your heart as much as you can. Talk to your heart as much as you can in moments of silence. So be with your heart as much as you can today. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.